Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with a Wafit Watch S8 smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to check on the preloaded watch faces and the available watch faces in the support app. So we'll check it. We'll also have a sample download as well as the custom wallpaper. So if you are interested to see how the list of watch faces for the Wafit S8, watch this video. And if you find this video tutorial useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the world of watch faces for our Wafit Watch S8. So we have here the smartwatch. It's already preloaded with several watch faces. So it is a combination of analog and digital watch faces. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have at least 5 watch faces. Settings for our display. Let's see if we do have. Let's go to the settings sections. Display. We have the brightness options here. We have the watch face and the sleep. Let's increase it to 30. And of course the wrist raise option. For downloading watch faces, all you have to do is just go to the support app. So this smartwatch is using the Wafit application. Go to the watch face section, face gallery. Let's wait for it to load. So we have here different categories for our watch faces. We have art, new watch faces, recommended, funny. We have colorful here, numbers, activity, classic, and modern. So let's check it one by one. We have art. So very good. It is very fast in downloading the watch faces. So we have a lot of options here for the art. We have new. So we only have limited new watch faces. We have recommended, a combination of analog and digital here. I like this, very unique. We have funny. Okay, so there are some cartoon type watch faces here. Then we have colorful. Let's explore more. Then we have numbers. I guess these are all analog. Oh no, it's a combination of digital and analog. And we also have activity. Only limited watch faces for activity. We have classic. So here are the classics. Then we have the last one, modern. Okay. Then for the custom watch faces, we have this edit. Okay, we'll explore this later on. Let's have a sample download. We'll go with the new watch faces. Or maybe let's check recommended. We'll try this one, the rainbow lines. Download, tap on it, then tap on apply. It's now downloading. As you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. Let's wait for it to complete its download. So we are on 90% already, and we have here our watch face. Okay, I don't understand the time here. Oh yes, okay, on the side you can see that it's 8:40. I think it's 8:40. I thought it's going to look good, but it's not. I think it's 8:41 now. Okay, so we have here our new watch face. So let's change it. I don't like the design of this. It looks good here, but on the actual, you can barely understand the time. So let's go back. Let's pick a different design. We'll go with this one. Waypoint, apply. We hope this one will be much faster. Okay, so this is just light. As you can see, very fast download. And we have here a new watch face. So this one is much better, I think. Okay, so it works for our watch face section. Let's see if it has overwritten our previous watch face. Okay, so you can only download one watch face at a time. For the custom watch face, tap on edit here. Then we will pick our own picture from the album. Photos. We'll pick a new picture here. Again, did not load. Check. Oops, it's not working. We'll pick a different photo. Okay, then check. And we have here a preview. Okay, change the position of the time below or above. It's up to you. Change the color. You can also change it. Change the data. After that, save. Okay, so let's wait for it to complete its download. So seems like we will have the results right away. The switching of background is fast, as you can see here. More than 60% now. 70. 84. And we have here our custom wallpaper. Nice, so it works for our smartwatch. And if you notice it here, we have an AI watch face section. So we'll check this and we'll have a separate video tutorial for this one. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the Wafit Watch S8 smartwatch, watch faces, and custom wallpaper, drop a comment below. And of course, if you find this video tutorial useful, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.